On top tori for today, Malam Garba Shehu, you be Ogbonge person. Dis na wetin Mariam Mohammed tok for di dinner wey Maktoub organize. Mariam Mohammed tok say one tori writer tok am say make we dey thank di pipo wey dey give us joy because na dem be di pipo wey dey make our life dey sweet. And she say for her, dis person na Malam Garba Shehu wey be di senior special assistant to President Muhammad Buhari on top media and publicity, and she say Garba dey there for her as mentor and professional anchor for her life. Mariam Mohammed tok say to show how belle take sweet dem on top Garba Shehu matter, na make wey their foundation wey be Maktoub Foundation take tok say dem go renovate di biggest secondary school wey plenty pipo na dey go am, wey e name be Goment Junior Secondary School for Nasarawa local government area for Kano State. She say upon all di work wey government dey do for di school no gree good for eye, and na dis one make wey Maktoub Foundation come change everything for di school sotey di school don fine well well now. She tok say belle sweet dem well well as dem waka come State House for September 2019 as dem begin dey tok about di renovation for appreciation dinner wey dem do for editors, news managers, publishers and owners. Mariam Mohammed come pray say make Almighty Allah guide her mentor and good Samaritan wey be Malam Garba Shehu. Di pipo wey waka come dis dinner wey Maktoub organize for Presidential Communication Team (PCT) wey dem do for di top pipo wey dey on top media for State House or Abuja na Vice President Yemi Osinbajo, Secretary to Government of the Federation Boss Mustapha, Senate Leader Yahaya Abdullahi wey come represent Senate President Ahmed Lawan, Minister of Budget and National Planning for State Prince Clem Agba, Special Adviser to President Muhammad Buhari on top media and publicity Femi Adesina, Senior Special Assistant on top media and publicity Garba Shehu, Director General of Voice of Nigeria Osita Okechukwu, some presidential aides and other Ogbonge pipo wey dey on top media na waka come dis dinner wey Maktoub organize. Di dinner wey Maktoub organize, e show say to do something well without mistakes na good thing to do for media. Na here we see am reach on top tori for today. On top say Mariam Mohammed don tok say Garba Shehu na Ogbonge person for her life. Make una know say dis Ogbonge update today waka come meet una so na Till Live Media na im carry am come give una. And to get more of this Ogbonge tori, make una like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for Till Live Media TV. Make una like and follow us for Facebook, Instagram and Twitter for Till Live Media. Una fit still log on to our website for www.tillivemedia.com.